Hi, my name is Bastiaensen. I'm an ICT teacher in Flanders, Belgium. I'm also the Flemish Future Classroom Lab ambassador, in which I help out teachers in Belgium with their ICT projects. Today I'm going to talk about ways how to engage learners in distance learning scenarios. I am in the lucky situation that I'm an ICT teacher and that all my pupils have their own laptop and that they have a good internet connection at home. But I also noticed that quite a few of my colleagues were not in that situation. There was maybe only one computer for an entire family of 5, 6 kids who all had to learn from home. So pupils maybe had the computer available only one time per week or maybe 1 hour a day. So that made it a lot harder for my colleagues to cope with it. And for example, a few of my colleagues just took the very low-tech initiative to make a simple phone call. And not only to talk about school stuff, but also to talk about how are you doing? Is everyone in the family okay? Have there been illnesses? Is it manageable to work at home while your kids are having lessons at home, or is it manageable to learn at home while your parents are working there as well? As long as pupils or parents feel that the teacher cares about them, that the school is interested in what they are doing, they will stay engaged. If they feel that teachers or school are not interested in what they are doing, they will lose their interest in learning as well. Also, one of my colleagues just sent some postcards to her pupils with some inspiring texts on them. Texts like, "You can do it." And she had some very good reactions of pupils. So these are very low-tech examples of how you can sustain the engagement of learners. There are also maybe a bit more high-tech things you can do. Some of my colleagues at the cooking classes in our school created bags with ingredients and recipes, and they delivered those bags at home at the pupils' place. And so the pupils could use these ingredients and use these recipes to train themselves on certain cooking techniques in their own kitchen. Pupils cooked meals at home, and the entire family could have a nice dinner together. Pupils could watch YouTube movies that the teachers made about certain cooking techniques, and they also had to film themselves using these techniques and upload them to our learning environment. From a distance, I would like to say goodbye to you all and hope to speak to you all again in real life after the COVID breakdowns.